Hi, Ian. This is Brian of BLP. Just quick questions lang. Okay, but before we proceed to my first question, kindly introduce yourself with your name and the age and the city that you'll be representing.
Okay. Mabuhay, I am Ian Abad Santos. I am 29 years old and I am from Angeles City, Pampanga.
Okay, and why screen for Misters of Filipinas?
After my first pageant last year, which is the Mr. Friendship International Philippines, na-realize ko na parang okay din pala and I want to join one of the prestigious male pageant in the Philippines, which is Misters of Filipinas.
How long did you make the decision na sasali ako ulit?
Actually, I can't remember po, pero nung parang 50-50 pa rin kasi I am busy of course with work and nagtayo ng business and then basta parang ang daming nangyayari, pero nung nag-release sila ng parang nag-post sila na with the screening and then okay, bigla na lang okay, I'm gonna join Misters of Filipinas.
Okay, so anong preparations ang mga ginawa mo for the screenings?
For the screening ngayon, actually wala pa. As you can see,
wala pa yan okay.
Kasi wala pa, parang physically I am not ready. I'm still working on the Q&A portion, which is I messed up last year.
So, feeling ko magpo-focus ka sa Q&A mo. Okay. And anong mga natutunan mo from the previous competition na dadalhin mo dito if you make it as one of the official candidates?
Mr. Friendship taught me how to parang deal with a lot of people and makisama and be the best version of yourself. Be confident and parang kasi dahil konti lang kami doon, parang guys, let's just be happy, enjoy, and walang pressure. Parang so instead of a competition, gawin natin lang siyang okay, it's a happy show.
Alright.
Ganun po.
Okay, so yun yung dadalhin mo dito, the same environment.
Just gonna enjoy my Misters of Filipinas journey if ever makapasok tayo as one of the official candidates po.
Okay, and you already joined a national pageant at hindi madali na maging isang contestant, hindi ba?
Hindi po.
So, anong motivation mo? Kasi ngayon, gusto mo na naman a similar experience. So, what keeps you going?
What keeps me going? Honestly, I want to have that sash na yung instead, of course, proud ako sa municipality or sa city na i-represent ko. Pero iba pa rin yung pag ang sash mo, it says your country na, pag Philippines na. So, yun, gusto kong i-represent and showcase the world what a Filipino can offer or can show the world.
Okay.
Ganun po.
Is there any pressure? Kasi I'm sure alam na ng iba na meron kang titles or you came from another national band. May pressure ba?
Pressure, ayoko yung word na pressure kasi ang negative niyan. Parang ang ano ko dyan, I'm gonna take it as a challenge para to keep me motivated, inspired, para instead of parang doon sa negative side, gawin mo siyang challenge sa sarili mo para at the end of the day, you're gonna look into yourself and say to yourself na, okay, live in yourself, trust yourself, have faith, and everything will go into place.
All right, for my last question. Ano sa tingin mo yung edge mo among the other applicants?
My edge. Hindi ko rin po alam. Alam po, pero wala pa kasi ang hirap natin sabihin yan and I don't want to mag-sound overconfident and I know naman every one of us no magkakaroon ng chance maging part of Misters of Filipinas. We will do our best para maging deserving of the title.
All right. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir
I hope you
Brian.
make it as one of the final
Hopefully,
or official applicants later on. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you po.